Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I want to show you I just got my account restricted. My Facebook ads account was restricted, and I want to show you how I got it fixed. It's a very simple way. First of all, before Facebook will restrict your account, they will tell you the reason why your account is being restricted. Either it doesn't follow the guidelines of the community or something. But for my case now, I didn't have my two-factor authentication set up, so Facebook asked me to do that. So the setting up of two-factor authentication is very simple. So you just once you click on the review, or to click on the review option, it will show you, bring it to this page where you set up your two-factor authentication. So meanwhile, Facebook will not allow you to run ads, or Facebook will restrict your ad if your ad account is not secure. So that means you have to set up two-factor authentication. It's very important. If not, they will restrict your account from advertising. You have to set up your security method, and probably set up a backup. So all this will allow your account not to be restricted. So all I did was, from this security and login option. So from the security and login option, I just I selected my website, my ad account. This is my ad account, the one I want to use for this particular purpose. So after clicking on the ad account, it brought me to, I come to the security center. So that in this place I can set up all the different necessary security informations I have to set up. So this is where you can set up your two-factor authentication. Is that taken? So you do that for the business manager. So for instance, now two-factor authentication makes it harder for others to access your business account and take control of your asset. Do you get that? So for more information, you can go to this and read up. So who's required to turn on two-factor authentication? Everyone. So before anyone can log into this particular page, they must turn on two-factor authentication. So this is one of the ways to get your Facebook ad account active and no longer restricted. Follow this channel for many more videos. I'll be making videos for those of you that have your ad account restricted or banned, or you're not allowed to sell or buy on Facebook. I will show you tricks on how to get this fixed. Thank you very much.